Do you love carrot cake? Well, try my yummy carrot cake flavor Herbalife Formula 1 shake mix. I'm Susan Bowerman, registered dietitian, and I love carrot cake, but I try not to eat it too often because it has so many calories. So I thought, I wonder if I could duplicate the flavors of my carrot cake recipe into a shake. And I think I did a pretty good job, so let me show you what I did. I'm going to start with my milk. I've got 240 milliliters of low-fat milk in my blender. That's about 1 cup. And for my Herbalife Formula 1 shake, I'm going to use vanilla flavor. So I'm going to shake up my canister, and then I'm going to add 2 scoops. And of course, because it's carrot cake flavor, we're going to use carrots. Now I have 1 cup, this is about 125 grams of frozen carrots. I didn't cook them, I didn't do anything. I just pulled them straight out of the freezer. Put that in there. The other thing I'm adding, my carrot cake recipe has raisins, so I decided to add just a tablespoon of raisins to my shake. And of course, carrot cake recipes usually have a lot of spice. So we're going to put in a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And I'm also going to add about a pinch of nutmeg. And then the other thing I decided to do is that carrot cake typically is frosted with cream cheese frosting. So I decided to put in 2 tablespoons of non-fat cream cheese. So in that goes. And then the last thing is just a little bit of black walnut extract. Put that in. It's about 1/8 of a teaspoon. And now we're going to blend it up. All right, let's see how it looks. It's a beautiful color from the carrots, but more importantly, let's see how it tastes. It's great. It really tastes a lot like carrot cake, but it's a lot better for you.